Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to go from the Camtasia 2020 version to the new Camtasia 2021 version. Alright, so Camtasia just released its 2021 version, and I am so excited. This happens once a year, and I literally wait for it, and today's the day. So to get your upgrade, you want to make sure that you have the maintenance package. When you purchase your Camtasia, if you got the maintenance package, you will get the new 2021 version upgrade for free. It comes with the maintenance. Alright, so once we've got that, we gotta head over to the TechSmith login area. TechSmith is the one that created Camtasia, and an easy way to get to it is just head over to Google, type in Camtasia 2021, head over to this one right here. Don't get tricked, that one's actually by a different website. Just click on this one right here, and it's going to take you to something like this, but you want to log in to your account because you've already have the maintenance package. I already have it, so I just need to install it. So I need to sign in, and you sign in with the account that you used to purchase Camtasia. Once you are logged in, you want to head over to your profile. Click on that, go to My Account, and then you want to go over to My Products. And here you're going to see all the different Camtasias that you have. So we actually have from Camtasia 2018, 19, 20, and now 2021. So from here, you have the download. So you literally just click download, and this is included with the Camtasia maintenance package when you first purchased Camtasia. So I'm going to click download, and it is now going to start downloading onto my computer. Okay, I'm going to open it up. So now I have to install the new version. So I'm going to click English, I accept, install, yes. So now it is going to be installing onto my computer.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, install successful. Now click finish. Alright, so this window has popped up. This looks a little different from the previous version. So I'm going to click New Project. Okay, so now we need to enter our software key. So you get that from that previous page where it showed all the products. So I'm going to click Enter Software Key, and then I'm going to go back to that page. Remember where you signed in? You will have your software key here, and I'm literally just going to copy it back to the page, paste it, click unlock, and it says here that you can sign in and it'll save your key, but I already have it saved. It's already in my account, so I don't need to do that. So I'm going to click open TechSmith Camtasia, and we've got a random quick question here. What type of video do you want to create with Camtasia? Tutorial. Okay, and we are in Camtasia 2021. Pretty much from, first glance, it looks exactly the same. I will have an in-depth video talking about all of the cool features. So let's just quickly check here. I know that they added a bunch of transitions. Yes, okay, so I am in the 2021 version. Check out my other videos down in the description below because I will have a whole bunch of tutorials with Camtasia 2021. So that is how you do the Camtasia 2021 upgrade. Like I said, make sure you have the maintenance package because you'll literally get the upgrades for free every year. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.